Hello, I'm Asif Farouk of Finextra and I'm here at EBA Day 2015 in Amsterdam. And today I'm with Davide Girompini of IBM. So, Davide, thank you for joining me.
Thank you for inviting us.
What role do you think payment analytics plays in today's industry?
Oh, very relevant role. We are in a world of payment convergence between retail payments, consumer payment, corporate payments. The need to move to a faster payment environment, immediate payment, real-time payments. This is bringing more relevance on the use of data because the competition on actual transaction processing is going to be very difficult and based on volume and price. So customers, both on retail side and also on corporate side, are asking for more. Pure payment processing is not enough anymore. So added value services, information-based services are all based on the fact that banks need to use the payments data, the transaction data, in a much better way, in a more complete way. For many years, transaction data were basically stored for legal reasons. Now they have started to be used to create spending profiles or to support liquidity management for the corporate. So I do believe, IBM believes that payment analytics, big data, and real-time analytics is going to be one of the most important competitive environments of the next 5 years for the transaction banking industry and for the payment industry.
So tell me, what are some of the main trends you're seeing in this sector?
Yeah. Okay, we see basically three major areas of investments in payment analytics. One is the most traditional one. We can say that is the operational insight. So the bank looking at themselves to understand if they are efficient, if they can do something better, if they have bottlenecks. So it's really the bank looking internally. Then there is the second trend that is we call regulatory insight. So using the data to be better in responding to regulatory requirements. Stuff like Basel III liquidity requirement, or FATCA, or the PSD2 coming in place next year. So this, again, is the use of data to help the bank to be more compliant or to spend less to be compliant. And then there is the third trend that we believe is the most important one, is what we call customer insight. So using the transaction data probably and normally along with other data coming from other areas of the bank to build a view, a single view of the customer traffic, of the customer behavior, and to provide services to the different type of customer. Of course, if you talk about consumer, we can talk about spending profile, geo-location services, cooperation with the merchants and with retailers. If we move to the corporate and small and medium enterprise, we see a relevant role and a growing role in what we call liquidity dashboard. So capability for the banks to provide a better view to the customer on their liquidity and then sell to this customer better lending services and loans based on their liquidity needs. Those are the major trends. They're all in a starting moment, maybe except for the operational one. And I think the technology is going to support them in the future because now the technology allows to do much more than a few years ago on those data.